This is the ELL100 project on application of induction motors by Neelanshu, Pulkit Langan and Lokraj Meena.
Induction motor. An induction or asynchronous motor is an AC electric motor in which the electric current in the rotor needed to produce torque is obtained by electromagnetic induction from the magnetic field of stator winding. An induction motor therefore does not require mechanical commutation, separate excitation or self-excitation for all or part of the energy transferred from stator to rotor as in universal, DC and large synchronous motors. An induction motor's rotor can be either wound type or squirrel cage type.
Applications of induction motor. Industrial section. Induction motors are most common motors used in any kind of industry, including it be an electrical or otherwise. No matter what a company produces, but when it comes to a motor, it is none other than induction motor. For large operation, three-phase induction, and for small operation, single-phase or fractional horsepower, which is also called as FHP, induction motors are employed. Domestic section. Our home is a place where we can see many induction motors doing their job. Motor of refrigerator, water pump motor, cooler motor are some of very common examples.
Use of induction motor in elevators. The latest elevator designs use three-phase induction motors with variable frequency drive electronic controls. Some may also use a similar system with permanent magnet brushless DC motors. Some current and prior designs may also use commutator type DC motors with electronic controls.
Three-phase induction motor. Basically, there are two types of three-phase induction motors. First, squirrel cage induction motor, and second, phase wound induction motor, which is also known as slip ring induction motor. Both types have similar constructed rotor, but they differ in construction of rotor. Mostly squirrel cage induction motor is used in elevators.
Squirrel cage induction motor. Most of the induction motor up to 90% are of squirrel cage type. Squirrel cage type rotor has very simple and almost indestructible construction. This type of rotor consists of cylindrical laminated core having parallel slots on it. These parallel slots carry rotor conductance, and this type of rotors, heavy bars of copper, aluminium or alloys are used as rotor conductor instead of wires.
Use of induction motor in conveyor belts. A single-phase induction motor is used in conveyor belts. AC induction motors are ideal for conveyor systems that operate continuously in one direction, while AC reversible motors are ideal for conveyors that must reverse or change directions repeatedly. For conveyor systems where the load must be held in place, or for vertical applications, there are a wide range of AC motors with power of activated electromagnetic brake.
Single phase induction motor. A single phase induction motor has two main parts, namely rotor and stator. The construction of single phase induction motor is almost similar to the squirrel cage three-phase motor, except that in case of single phase motor the stator has two windings instead of one, as compared to the single stator winding in three-phase induction motor.
Use of induction motor in elevators. The latest elevator designs use three-phase induction motors with variable frequency drive electronic controls. Some may also use a similar system with permanent magnet brushless DC motors. Some current and prior designs may also use commutator type DC motors with electronic controls.
Thank you.